Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bring image forward in Google Docs. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So now as you can see, this image is behind this text. I want to bring it forward, so I have to select it. Just click on it until you see this blue line appearing. This means that the image is selected. Now click on these three dots which says Image Options and then All Image Options. This will bring up this window where you can choose a style, so don't forget to expand this text wrapping menu and select in front of text. Right now, as you can see, the image is in front and you can move it wherever you like. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.